Notes on software download and installation. Go to the official website of Creality Slicer, www.crealitycloud.com. Click on Software and Firmware. Software. The page collects the official software of Creality PC. There are 3 types of software: Creality Print, Palette Box, Creality Slicer and CR Studio Scanner software. Every software has a detailed introduction, computer configuration requirements and some operation tutorials. Filter according to your computer system. Each version has update instructions. Select the latest version to download. After downloading, find the installation package. Right-click on the installation package and select Run as Administrator. Click Next. I accept. In the installation destination folder, it is recommended to install directly on the C disk, or change the C disk to D disk. Note, the installation path needs to be in English. If the folder is named in another language, the installation may fail. Click Next. Next. At present, our machine supports STL, OBJ, and AMF model file formats. The software supports STL format by default. If model files in other formats are used, you can check the corresponding options. You need to check the corresponding option. Click Install. Wait for the installation to finish and click Finish.